Good morning slash good afternoon slash good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you all are doing great. Well, today I am going to make a video. I am going to do a conversation. I am going to do a practical. I am going to do an interaction. Actually, what happens? Most of the people they have questioned me and they have asked me that how can I do fluency. बहुत से लर्नर्स हैं जो इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो, इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं, उनका यही क्वेश्चन रहता है कि मैं अपनी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की प्रैक्टिस कैसे करूं. तो ये बहुत सिंपल है. देखो आप, इफ यू हैव अ मिरर यू कैन डू प्रैक्टिस इन फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर. इफ यू हैव फ्रेंड्स यू कैन डू प्रैक्टिस विद योर फ्रेंड्स. एंड इफ यू हैव योर मोबाइल, तो ये मोबाइल है ना, इस पे आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. बहुत सी एप्लीकेशंस आ गई है मोबाइल पे ना, बहुत सी एप्लीकेशंस आ गई है मोबाइल पे जिसके द्वारा आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो अपनी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की और अपनी इंग्लिश में फ्लुएंसी ला सकते हो, है ना. उसी को बताने के लिए मैं आपके लिए एक वीडियो बनाने वाला हूं. मैं चैट जीटीपी से बात करने वाला हूं. आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ conversation with the chat gtp actually, so that you can know that how you will talk with the chat gtp and how you will discuss about any topic. Okay, let's get started. हम यहां से क्लिक करेंगे एंड हम अभी चैट जीटीपी से कनेक्ट होने वाले हैं. हेलो.
Hello, I can hear you. How can I assist you today?
Okay, first of all let me know how have you been.
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? How's your day been so far?
Okay, I'm also doing well so far. Thanks for asking, by the way. Actually, I have one topic, I have one question to you. Would you like to give me answer of it?
Of course, I'm here to help. What's your question?
I want to ask you one thing, that if I want to learn English language, if I want to become a proficient in this English language, so which thing I need to do and which thing I should do so that I can become a good public speaker, I can become a good, persuader, I can become a good communicator actually in this language.
To become proficient in English and a good communicator, here are some things you can do. 1. Practice regularly. Speak in English every day, even if it's
Okay.
just a little bit.
Yeah, of course, I would say that practice is more important in a English conversation. But thing is that I don't have I don't have friends to do my practice of my English language. So which kind of things can be so that I can improve my English language? Which thing you would like to suggest me?
No worries. Here are a few suggestions. 1. Language exchange. Find language partners online. Websites like Tandem or HelloTalk can help you practice with native speakers. 2. Online courses. Join online English courses or use apps like Duolingo or Babbel. 3. Watch and listen. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, and try to mimic the pronunciation and intonation.
That I want to ask you one question as well. That most of the people they are saying and they said that English grammar is very important for becoming a good English speaker and for getting command on this language. So what do you think that if I know how to if I know how to use buzzword and models, then I can speak English, and one person who don't know about English grammar, he can speak English. Is this right and wrong?
That's a great question. While grammar is important for clear communication, it's not the only factor. Many people become fluent by practicing speaking and listening, even if their grammar isn't perfect. The key
Okay.
is to communicate
Yeah. This is what I want to tell you, that most of the people that I have seen and I am seeing that they don't know about English grammar, they don't know about passive voice, direct, indirect, and models. They don't know about that, but still they are speaking very well and they are very good speaker in English language. They can speak good language and they are good communicator as well. So I don't think that for becoming a good English speaker, you need grammar. I will not say that you don't need grammar, that you should know the basic grammar, I think.
Exactly. Knowing basic grammar helps you speak more clearly and confidently. But it's totally normal to make mistakes, especially when you're learning. The most important thing is
Okay,
to
okay,
practice
okay,
and
okay. So जैसा कि आपने देखा कि एआई से बात करना कितना इजी है, बट उसका एक्सेंट, उसकी आपको बिल्कुल वोकेबुलरीज आनी चाहिए और शब्दों का मतलब समझने आना चाहिए, है ना. उसके लिए आपको वोकेबुलरीज, जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि बेसिक ग्रामर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी क्रूशियल टू बिकम अ गुड इंग्लिश स्पीकर एंड टू लर्न एनी लैंग्वेज, है ना. किसी भी लैंग्वेज सीखने के लिए उसकी ग्रामर पे पहले थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज पालो, उसके बाद आप गुड स्पीकर बन सकते हो, गुड कमांड हासिल कर सकते हो, नॉट इन English language at any language. Okay, so okay, Sachin, for more video you can follow this page. You can you can follow and do subscribe as well. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.